Hi and welcome everyone. Lisa here, bringing you another product reveal on the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. Today I am bringing you the Meme O Look 4x3 stamp set. Now there's two other meme stamp sets being released today along with this one. You're going to want to check all three of those out. They are so fun and snarky. Let's go ahead and stamp her out and let's give you the size, the image, and she comes with two sentiments too, as you can see here. She measures about 2.5 inches by 3.25 inches. And there's one of the new stamp sets releasing. That is called the WTF background stamp. I think it's going to go great with her and the other meme girls. Here's my sample I created to share with you, and I paired her up with the Calorie Schmallery stamp set and the Comic Speech bubble dies. Now, I have all this information linked directly below in the description box for you, so you can check that out over on the Whimsy Stamps website. And until next time, take care.